Civil engineering is one field that you get up in the morning, you look out the window, and you can see everything that a civil engineer does.
We have the opportunity to solve problems. We get to use our creativity and our innovation to actually come up with solutions. We get to figure out more sustainable ways to build structures and live as a society.
We designed the roadways, the sidewalks, the underground utilities to convey stormwater, sanitary sewer, to do the water distribution. Civil engineering is just kind of a means to everyday life.
You work with your colleagues to try to come up with a solution to, something that will better the public and community.
Civil engineers are critical to improving people's lives.
You can make a positive impact on the environment as well as society. That's exciting because you're making a difference to the future generations of our world.
What's nice about a civil engineer is we can look to the future and how to make the world a better place for everyone that lives in it.